मुझे राइडिंग का बहुत शौक है, बट मेरा ये जो लेग है आर्टिफिशियल है।
अच्छा, अगर गवर्नमेंट में थोड़े अक्लमंद लोग होते ना, मैं अभी यहीं से जा रहा होता। This is literally air full of smog. Wow! Well, good morning. This is again another beautiful day. Well, a different kind of ride. So actually on my channel, what you have seen up till now was only the daily vlogs, right? So that is the first category of my channel. So today's ride is the second type. I mean the touring one. So yes, finally, with a beautiful sunrise and God's blessings, here we are on the route to Pune. You might have definitely guessed seeing the title of the video. So most of the times we both are going to be on the ride, and when she doesn't have leaves, I am going to be. Okay, that is so surprising that it's 12 degrees Celsius. I have been craving to experience this kind of temperature in Nagpur, but well, the ride day is blessed with again, oh my, such a beautiful sunrise. One more thing I really wanted to say, that if you guys are telling me, or if you guys are in a plan to tell me कि भाई लद्दाख जाओ, भाई यहाँ जाओ, भाई वहाँ जाओ, I am planning to go everywhere. It's just that not all of a sudden, little by little, piece by piece, step by step, because no matter what, India is so big that you can literally keep going and going and going different places and still be left with some. So yes, it is going to be bits by bits and pieces by pieces. And look at that, driving right towards the sunrise. And for a surprise, the map is taking us with a complete new route, because the Nagpur to Amravati road is quite messed up at this moment. So I think this guy is trying to take us from a new route. Well, tada! The blunder that happened right now, actually it's not my fault, dude. It's the government's fault. Come on. I mean, itni achhi bike ko bhi they are not allowing to go from the Samruddhi Marg, dude. That's just not done, man. I mean, I knew that I couldn't go. It's just that I was taking the same Amravati road highway, and somehow the map led me over here. And I guessed it. I mean, I couldn't guess it unless and until I literally saw the Samruddhi circle. Hello, Corona. Hello. And when we turn, just look behind us. Hey. I am so excited to see where the Google auntie takes us. I'm really excited to see that. As long as the roads are good, man, I am just ready to ride, and we are just ready to ride, right? I will rather say it in Hindi. अगर गवर्नमेंट में थोड़े अक्लमंद लोग होते ना, मैं अभी यहीं से जा रहा होता. See? Such a royalty, man. And we complete 100 kilometers of our ride of today with this view. Wow. Anything can go under construction in India at any point of time. And this is, yes, built by NHAI. People are so crazy, man. They won't even stop for you. Jana bhai. Thank you, bro. Well, it was a very small patch, and this wasn't under construction in the previous year I was here. Well, never mind. Cruise control and the RJ. I am surprised just as you are, but this was the shortest rail I have seen ever after ages. The last time I stopped at a railway crossing was back in 2011. Wow, this feels so nostalgic. This is so authentic. Uska hook फंस गया. This is so authentic. People used to do that. They really used to do that. Full manual, huh? Full manual, bro. I have no idea where is it taking us from. I am just here to ride, man. I'm just here to ride. Let's see what comes. I'm sure I'm down for it. My goodness, I wasn't expecting this kind of a road, man. So the thing is that we are actually taking a reroute because it was taking us to respective policemen. Bro scared the shit out of that cow, dude. Cow or was that an ox? I didn't see. Hey, why is my ride so bumpy? My tire pressures look good. Front is 36.2, rear is 41.7, which is supposed to be 42, just 0.3 psi down, and that's fine. Okay, alright, so yeah, back to the topic. That people say that never trust Google Maps, but I say sometimes you should do. I am someone, I'm not wanting to go like 150, 160. I really like to enjoy the route, the road. I really like to go slow, enjoy the entire scenery. I mean, dude, come on. What will you do flexing that मैंने 12 घंटे में 1000 किलोमीटर कर लिया and whatever that comes to you, dude. Fine, for once or twice, that's fine, but real travelers will never see for high speeds. They will always want to enjoy every moment, because again, if I am driving 150 to 160 kilometers per hour on this bike, then the only place I can look at is the road, not left, not right. I mean, definitely I will not be looking at the sceneries around the entire time, but at least I can enjoy when I'm driving slow. Maybe around 100, I can just maintain the speeds of 100 and I can still be attentive on the road and still enjoy the scenery. See, so many cattle on the road, and the road is full of shit men. It is so truly said that when you travel in a car, it feels like you're watching a movie, and when you travel on the bike, it feels like you are in the movie and you are the actor, the main characters, you know. Nothing matches the joy of traveling on a bike, man. Change my mind, I dare you. I dare you to change my mind. This looks so damn gorgeous. On literally both sides of the road, there is lush green gardening. I don't know if it's gardening, farming, whatever. I'm not able to gather words to say the right term, but you guys see it for yourself. I mean, wow. These are the little moments that makes it all worth it to travel, you know. So we finally found a good restaurant. So yep, after, let me just take a U-turn, then I'll tell you the stats. After 3 hours 39 minutes of riding, 286 kilometers, finally we found a restaurant to eat. Time to eat, babies. So the reroute was actually a little more than required, but it was worth it, man. I mean, we really enjoyed the time, and it's Indian oil, so I'm gonna just refuel as well. So yep, I think I found a nice one. इसका तो गेट के सामने खड़े रखेंगे भाई. What is this? Rathi Pede wala. Okay, that seems very much established. So yes, that's the gorgeous lady mad fingers for you.
मज़ा आया.
Okay, so after a lot of break, here we are again back on the road. we have got 18.67 liters of petrol and we are up and running. In the morning I was really blabbering about not being able to go by the Samruddhi road, but the plus point of not being able to go from there is tarmac. My bike is safe. I really don't like the cement roads, so yeah, I am not complaining. I am not complaining. You can already see the quality of the road. It's very nice. Now people who will be watching my vlog will be telling me, अरे कहाँ से कौन से रास्ते से गया, कौन से ये रास्ते से गया. Bro, just look at this. Look at this, man. Just look at this. If you don't like this road as a traveler, I don't know what will please you, man. I really don't know what will please you. You literally get to see a water body. These things just make it worthy, man. Dhyan Ganga Wildlife Sanctuary welcomes you. Wow. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar is 160 kilometers. After such a long time of good roads, I think it's time for adventure. And then these people think they're cool having blue and red lights on their SUVs. Whew. Well, a long ride is nothing without this jam-packed traffic, man. Full adventure, guys. Full adventure. So we have entered the city of Aurangabad, or Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and we're just gonna see some refreshments over here, and then we're just gonna head up. Left mein aa jao. So this young man over here, he just mentioned on the road that this is his favorite bike and he wants to click a picture. I was like, sure.
मैं मेरा फेसबुक पेज दिखाता हूँ आपको. ऑल टाइम माय ऑल वीडियोस सेविंग ऑन जीएस.
अच्छा,
मुझे राइडिंग का बहुत शौक है, बट मेरा ये जो लेग है आर्टिफिशियल है.
अच्छा.
मुझे ना ये कंफर्टेबल है.
ओके.
दिखाता हूँ. मेरे हाथ में मतलब बहुत पैनिक हो चुका हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं ब्रो, कोई बात नहीं.
आप कहाँ पे जा रहे हो?
हम लोग अभी निकल रहे थे मुंबई.
ये देखो जीएस.
हाँ.
ये देखो जीएस.
हाँ.
ये गिर तो नहीं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं गिरेगा. बिंदास बैठो, ठीक है. अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके. आपका नाम क्या है? विकी. सैम्यूल. सिया.
मेरे वाइफ को अगर बताऊंगा मेरा फेवरेट बाइक मुझे मिला.
हाँ. मेरे
पास लफ्ज़ नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं. मैं आपको समझ सकता हूँ क्योंकि ये एक टाइम पे ये भी मेरा ड्रीम बाइक था. ऐसा है. थैंक यू ब्रो, थैंक यू. चलो. That was really wholesome. I mean, this is the time where it feels complete to, do these kind of things. I'm feeling blessed. I will take a good few minutes to get out of that mode actually. Wow. Oh, there's McCafe as well. Do you want? Wait to. Hey. Yeah.
मज़ा आया.
My butterfly is ready. Okay. Wherever this boy Felix goes, he definitely creates a scene. So it took us time to wipe the windshield, the visors, clear the lights and everything. 5 hours and 50 minutes. That's the route. So now we've got 232 kilometers left and we need to take the flyover. Who ever introduced this feature of taking the flyover? God bless you, man. This is so helpful. And here we say bye-bye to Aurangabad, Urf Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. This little guy is saying bye-bye to me. Bye-bye. And look at that sunset, man. It is such a blessed day. In the morning, we started driving towards the sunrise. And now in the evening, we are starting driving towards the sunset as well. Perfect golden hour, man. Oh my goodness. The boys are actually now bolte na GKK. If you know, you know. Well, forget them. Hey bhai, not so forget them. You don't come in my way, man. You do any shit you want. Wow, look at that. It's a whole damn new perspective of I am so pissed off at those three. A moment ka dhajia uda diya bhai. I'm literally gonna scold them if they appear again in front of me. This part of evening usually looks so gorgeous. So now we have got 191 kilometers left. Oh, they're purposely burning it. Dude, that spreads up so much of pollution. Why do they even have to burn it? Come on, find an alternative. And then these guys complain about pollution. It's just been like what? Not even a minute. The visor and the windshield started getting smashed up with all the kidas. It's just good that my camera is not in the range of direct exposure of air. Wow! Auntie got no chill. Come on, man. Dude, that was so... that was really unexpected. So yeah, this is a lesson that no matter what you do, no matter what you record, you should always be attentive on the road, man. Enjoy the scenery, enjoy everything that's in front of you, but be attentive. That's the topmost priority you need to follow. So this is the exact time where the lights don't work unless and until it's super bright. Well, I can turn on mine super bright ones, but I don't want to be harsh to the oncoming traffic. When you're about 160 kilometers away from Pune, you really don't need an adventure trail. I just got my statement just got proved. Wow, man, I really did not expect this kind of a road near to Pune, because the experience up till now was amazing, and within these 10-25 kilometers it has been horrible. Again, my statement just got proved. Yeah, these sugarcane trucks, they know they're slow. They should actually carry out the left side, right? Because if they are riding or driving on the left side, it's much easier for the traffic to just flow, because it's the fast lane on the right side. And then these are like driving like turtles on the fast lane, and that stops the entire traffic. See, literally everyone with the sugarcane is just driving on the fast lane. Surprisingly, 20 to 30 kilometers after Ahilya Nagari, I can finally see good roads, and dude, the bumps are actually relaxed. Good thing is that I am always driving on the road suspension mode, so it is always over the softer settings. Bhai sahab, kya hai ye? This is literally air full of smog. Anyways, the traveling to the new city has always taught me one thing, that फालतू में लोग डरते हैं यार कि लोग अच्छे नहीं हैं and all. Yeah, definitely there has been some looting issues going on in the remote areas where it's village and all. But truly, if I say, like, I just arrived in Pune, and there was one guy who was... I didn't ask him anything. He approached me and he asked me whether I had got my accommodation and whether I had meals. I had stopped. I'll stop and search for hotels. This guy, so gentle, he literally came in, and he told everything, right from the accommodation to where should I have the dinner for the night. People are lovely, man. People are actually lovely. So yes, travel, just travel, man. The more you travel, the more you find goodness around, and that's what gives you another reason to be good.